You talking and you're playing with your toy? What are these new noises you're making? Oh yeah? Oh yeah? You talking to the giraffe? He's talking back to you at all? I don't hear him. Ooh. I hear him a little. I mostly hear you. Do you want me to make him talk to you? You want me to make him talk to you? Oh. What are your feet doing? Huh? Are you kickaroo? That's a lot of talking. Here, he's talking. Let's see. Let's see what I can make him do. Oh boy. What are those little feet doing? Make your noises. Hello, Owen. Hello. Stick out your tongue. Hello, la la la. La la la. La 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 la. Close. La 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 la. Is that what you're trying to do with Mommy? Owen. Cuckoo. What? What'd you say? What'd you say? Who's ticklish? Who's ticklish? Who's ticklish? I know a baby who's ticklish. Who's ticklish? You're doing all kinds of things today, huh? Who's ticklish? Who's ticklish? It's you? Is your giraffe kissing you on the cheek? It's a tickle monster. It's tiring tickling you. Oh yeah. We've been on video for a long time. You've been a good boy talking and laughing. Talking, huh? Bye, sweetheart. Mommy love you.